2005 Chevy Silverado Z85 package, towing package. Excuse me. And it's got the 4.8 in it. Still got the stock converters there and there. Singled into a Y. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW muffler, 14-inch body, out the side with a 4-inch tip, rolled edge, right there like that. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. I think it's going to sound phenomenal. That's how it's set up right there. Hope you guys like it. 2007 Chevy Silverado 1500 4.8 liter. What we did on it for you guys today. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it comes to a factory Y pipe. Then we put a 2 1/4 to 2.5 tailpipe, Y pipe, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back into 3.5 inch by 18 rolled tips. One right there, one right there. It is straight pipe duals, as you guys can see. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Right there, and right there. It's the Z85 package. Nobody likes a stock truck. They like it loud.